Skyway into his outside post position, and the last to load will be O. Newman. O. Newman moves in, and they're in the gate. And they're off in the Del Mar Futurity. And there goes In Excess Time shooting right to the front. Holiday Camp and Skyway from the outside to join him. And there goes American Pharoah. And American Pharoah pulls Victor Espinosa right to the front as the field heads out of the chute and onto the backstretch. It's American Pharoah by 3/4 of a length over his stablemate Holiday Camp in second. In Excess Time content to sit back in third as O. Newman finds a cozy spot down along the inside in fourth. The favorite Skyway to the outside in fifth. And there goes the gray Calculator tugging his way up into fourth and now third as the field moves up the backstretch. An opening quarter went in 22 3/5 seconds. 3 lengths further back to Iron Fist, Red Button to his outside, and Henry's Holiday, the last of 9. He is 8 lengths off the leader, and that leader is American Pharoah. Still going strong on the lead. He got a half in 45-1, and he opens up by 2. Calculator comes after him in second. Skyway moving on the outside into third. Holiday Camp can't stay with the top 3, and the rest still have work to do as American Pharoah comes to the top of the stretch. Victor Espinosa shakes him up and he responds. He opens up by 3. American Pharoah opens up by 4 in the lane. Calculator is all out in second. It's a long way back to Skyway in third, but down to the line, it's the Pharoah Show in the Futurity. American Pharoah by 5 in the end over Calculator in second. Iron Fist rallied into third. Skyway held on for fourth, and look at that final time. 121-2. American Pharoah, a budding superstar for the Bob Baffert Barn.